have a couple questions about tattoos.
Mm-hmm.
Because this community that I'm trying to join, they asked me to fill out a form, and in the form they asked me whether I have tattoos or not.
Mm-hmm.
And I was gonna ask LevLeib that this would be I don't know, something that they could do, but I just connecting this idea with what LevLeib just mentioned about getting attention of kids and so on. So I don't know if this is the reason they made. They're asking.
I don't think so. I mean, just a general question. I mean, the prohibition is to get tattoo, but there's no like requirement to get rid of it. So if it's something like very very immodest, right? And we had a student like that, so we tried to ask him to blur it out, like to do something like so it would not be obvious what it says there, what is like what is I don't know, tattooed there. You understand? So maybe add some lines, so like make it not obvious, because to go through the surgery, it's too much. It's too much pain, and some people have what is it, infection after the surgery. It's terrible. The infection is a life risk. So there is no requirement. So once person got it, so if it's not something very modest, so we just leave it be. But the problem is with when people do Shiur, for example, was not religious, do Shiur, and they go to, I don't know, to India or wherever they go, and they have a tattoo all throughout the whole body, and then they do Shiur, and they come to mikveh, right? And they see little Hasidic kids, they see, whoa, like they staring at the guy. Everybody's staring at the guy. And the guy, so we tell this guy, like, you want to be such a holy person, come in the middle of the night, and deep, or like, so nobody can see you, but don't come in the normal hours. It's Hil HaShem. Okay, I mean, Hil HaShem, meaning what? That you provoke these people, talk bad about you. Like, what exactly they have to tell the children? Just think about it. That it's normal that he's a big tzaddik. Okay, oh father, I'm also want to be tzaddik. I want to do a big tzaddik, like tattoo. No, so they would say something negative about this person. So we told them, you provoke them. Don't do it. You want to go to mikveh in the middle of the night, no problem. Or like closer to the morning, 5 a.m. when nobody's there. You're welcome.
So about this same issue of tattoos, I got curious because of something we were learning yesterday about food and deriving benefit from it. So considering it is forbidden for a Jew to derive benefit from something that he's not allowed to eat, according to the Torah, that he's not allowed to eat, which is but it has to be designated as food. So would it also be forbidden for this Jew to own like a business which makes money by performing something which is forbidden for Jews but not for Gentiles, such as owning like a tattoo parlor or something like that?
Yeah, it would be for me. I'm not sure if it's allowed for Gentiles either. I don't think so, because the body is same as the Jewish body. It does not belong to them. It's only, so it's mutilating the body. Not allowed. You understand? So of course, and we're not allowed to put a stumbling block in front of the blind. Yeah, maybe he has this tattoo salon in a non-Jewish area. How do you know? Maybe they're Jews. I don't know.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So on this issues of tattoos, consider what Rabbi mentioned, that it would be forbidden for non-Jews. So if the person has a bunch of them, so how can he do tshuva from this, should the person try to persuade someone else or other people not to get them, or?
Of course, yes, yeah. I mean, tshuva just it's a done deal, right? Right. So you just a person has a regular feel regret, decide not to do it again, and if possible, yeah, it would be could be kiddush Hashem to tell others, like I said, especially kids. Like parents terrified, like they decided this girls decided to go piercing, this tattoos, like that's too much, like. You understand? So if you talk to some people and can talk them out, I mean, don't spend too much time. It's not the biggest sin, but yeah, you should do it. So, I mean, you see, now I'm suffering. Right? I have this tattoo, that tattoo, and now I'm suffering. So maybe they're going to listen, maybe not.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, would it be? I don't know. I know this is more common these days, especially amongst people that do tshuva. But would it be problematic if, for example, the person puts on tefillin, rubs up tefillin on his arm, and on his arm he has a bunch of tattoos? Would it be problematic in some way? I don't know. Regarding many different issues, for example, like getting people's attention, or I don't know, would this be problematic?
So on arm tefillin is very simple. It's proper to have it covered. So if, for example, if a person has a tattoo on his left arm, for example, right? So I would suggest to such a person go on the women's side, come a little early to shul when nobody's there. Don't come like everybody's there, right? Come early. Maybe there is Rabbi, whoever opens the shul, he goes to get the Torah, this, that, coffee machine, whatever, lights. So you come at that time, put on tefillin, maybe on a women's side that nobody would see, right? Cover. You can some people, for example, my not this jacket, but another jacket that from different jackets that I wear into shul, so I can actually wear the jacket over my tefillin because it's like it's not modern. This one is like from regular store. It's like more modern. So I mean, it's more fit nice, like, but it's not wide enough, right? But and another one that I wear like outside. This is my from inside, right? But for outside, I wear different jacket. It's very wide, like. Right, not very wide, but the sleeve wide enough. I can wear the sleeve over my tefillin. You understand? So nobody should see. Like don't. Right? This tefillin you're not allowed to cover. So even if some, I also like put talis over my head, but it's only like to like till tefillin. Right, so like it should be visible at least from the front. From the back, it's not going to be visible, or from the sides. From the sides, I mean, if you're more to the front, yes, but from the front, it should be visible. Not allowed to cover. But this one on the hand, you will allowed to cover. Right. So just get a little like bigger this sleeves, and that's it.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Very handy. Thank you very much.